Yeah.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today I will explain about food from Jakarta, and my name is Sophie from INR 19. So I will explain about kerak telur first. Jakarta is one of the capital city in Indonesia, and it has amazing culinary delights. And there are interestingly culinary in Indonesia that has a unique story and history. One of the Indonesia culinary specialties, specifically Betawi or Jakarta with a unique history, is kerak telur. Kerak telur is a typical Betawi food, which is often referred to as Betawi people omelet, and kerak telur is usually peddled by street vendors when there are celebrations in Jakarta, both in celebrating the anniversary of the city of Jakarta and the anniversary of the Republic Indonesia. Kerak telur is a food made from glutinous rice and eggs, which is then served with serundeng as well as other toppings. Kerak telur is generally cooked with using frying pan and enjoyed while still warm so that the savory taste is amazing. Kerak telur is believed to have existed since the Dutch colonial era. In the past, the kerak telur was created by the Betawi people by accident. The kerak telur was created after the Betawi or Batavian people tried to make a variety of foods by utilizing the many coconuts in there. From this trial and error, the kerak telur is created. So in the 1970s, the Betawi people began to venture into selling kerak telur on the market, and unexpectedly, many people like this food. And in fact, in the past, kerak telur was a favorite food for the elite and upper-class people in Jakarta. And along with the development of time, kerak telur becomes a food that is liked by all the people, and the price of kerak telur is even more affordable for everyone. Regarding the kerak telur now, it seems that we can't find easily in Jakarta, but there are also it can be found easily when there are also big celebrations such as Jakarta Fair or Pekan Raya Jakarta. And in Jakarta, there are also several stalls that selling kerak telur. And this traditional food is creation of omelette or omelette cooked with mixed glutinous rice. And at first, the kerak telur consisted of noodle omelette with Indonesian spices, but the Dutch at the time wanted a healthier food, so that the noodles is being replaced with the glutinous rice. It seems that this omelette creation favored by Dutch people and is often used as an appetizer. The people at the time used the abundance of coconut plants in Batavia as one of the main ingredients for making a crust. At the time, the kerak telur was included the ranks on high food because it was enjoyed by the many Dutch nobles. And in the 1970s, many Betawi people started to selling snack called kerak telur around the Monument Nasional or Monas. And in addition to glutinous rice as the basic ingredients for this traditional dish, kerak telur uses two choices of eggs for its manufacture, namely chicken eggs and duck eggs with different fillings such as ebi and dry roasted plus fried shallots, and then seasoned with spices that has been mashed in the form of roasted coconut, red chili, ginger, pepper, salt, and sugar. And then the second one is ketoprak. So ketoprak is a type of Indonesian food that uses peanut sauce as one of the main ingredients. Generally, ketoprak consists of ketupat, boiled bean sprouts, fried tofu, vermicelli, and don't forget the crackers. And in some places, it is equipped with an omelette. What distinguishes the peanut sauce on ketoprak from the other foods such as gado-gado or pecel is seasoning in the form of garlic, chili, peanut, sweet soy sauce, and brown sugar. This one food is indeed known as Betawi cuisine and is indeed very common in Jakarta. You can also find easily ketoprak sellers at night who are lined up on the roadside, and the taste of the peanut sauce, which is similar to gado-gado, makes it more familiar to the people in Jakarta. The naming ketoprak is not without a reason, and the name ketoprak is taken from the sound made by when the food plate falls, and the name ketoprak came from food seller who tried to make a different food so that his food sold well. He also made a mixture of spices from garlic, peanuts, and chilies that were pulverized together and then poured into the ingredients he had, namely vermicelli, tofu, and ketoprak. After making the food, his hand slipped, caused the food he had made to fall, and then the plate to fall off made a sound. Therefore, the food was named after ketoprak. And then there are also those who say that ketoprak is an abbreviation of ketupat and bean sprout that are pounded together. And that's all the explanation from me. Hello, good morning everyone. Today I will explain about food from Jakarta. And my name is Sophie from INR 19. So I will explain about kerak telur first. Jakarta